sex. Kabahar. She likes penis. What happened? Someone's home. Who's home?
Abdul.
It's Abdul?
Abdul is home.
Abdul.
Abdul.
Hi, Juliet.
What? Oh, I think I have morning wood. Okay, let's see it. Now you don't do the camera in front of you. She's
tired. I know.
The camera's there.
You should have seen her before. Oh, okay.
Wait.
Wow. What? Wow. Okay.
Yo! I gotta boil my bed now!
That's so sick!
Yo!
That is sick!
Oh, man.
Wait. Oh, I like this song.
Someone's feeling horny.
Oh, yeah!
I'm concerned.
What happened?
I'm very concerned.
What's she doing?
Yo!
Oh my god!
Wow. Karen, that's your bed.
Wait. Oh, get the hell away from me! Oh my god.
We should do that.
Take her to Raider practice now. Let her know.
We should do that for the talent show, you guys.
That?
That.
It looks like some weird chant.
I
It
don't
looks like some satanic ritual or something.
know. Titanic. Oh. And Womanizer shit playing.
Oh fuck! Fuck me!
Oh, well, she's already doing that.
No. Don't fuck me, not you. Not you.
I don't know. I don't know. I got that too. Wow. Look at this girl.
Right there.
Oh,
You want to do black? Let's do black. I can't do it with the camera on my hand. Holy crap! She just went on my leg. She raped my leg. She raped my leg.
here.
Oh, she's.
Hot like a...
Oh, come
Like
on.
a mat? Yes! Oh, yeah!
Okay, you know this is going on YouTube,
What's
right?
his name?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. She hit the floor.
So
Sugar,
low.
low. What? Go, Jessica.
Get the hell out of my car, bitch!
Look at that.
I can go lower than you.
Okay, alright. Woo!
I can't get up. Help!
Are you okay?
Help!
Okay, she's stripping already. Oh. What happened?
Your phone's right there.
Wow. Oh,
Yes,
no.
wait, where? No.
A vibrator? Oh, you gotta get my phone out the way.
My jacket out the way. Some sort of jacket.
Apple bottom jeans.
Oh, I started having sex with Matthew.
I'm gonna burn my cheek.
White girl.
I'm all burnt out. Look at my face. Next thing you know, Karen is gay. Wait. Cancel.
You're so nasty.
I thought I was perverted.
She's the flow. Hello.
Smack that, remember? For that Friday.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Alright, we gotta go.
What? Okay. Are you okay?
Off to Raider practice. See, I was toasted.
You're done. Look at your.
They're gonna think that we just had sex, Julie. Well, I'll tell them who I was with.
Jessica.
Hey. Yo.
Next thing
Karen.
you know, Shannon. Oh, where's
Oh,
the?
you're better get me. Do that again. She's gonna say that she was having
Oh, look,
sex
there
with
goes the
you.
pillows. Look, you guys, that's the pillows that this girl ate
Oh,
for all this stuff.
I'm kind of sweaty now.
Look at this cheese Did you eat some of these?
No.
Okay, then
She had too many
then you are
pillows.
crazy from these.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it.